Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to set user and power on passwords in BIOS on Lenovo Yoga Slim 7. First, enter the BIOS setup menu by short pressing the power button on the right side of your laptop and repeatedly pressing F2 until you see the BIOS dashboard. Here, select Security on the sidebar. First, set the administrator password by selecting that option, entering a new password you'll remember or write down, confirming it in the second field, and pressing Enter. After that, you can set both power on password and user password. To enable power on password, set its value to enabled, and to set it, you need to set the user password. Enter your new password into the first field and confirm it in the second one. To clear the user password, double-click the Clear option and press Enter. To remove the administrator password, double-click Administrator Password, enter your current password in the first field, leave the other two blank, press Enter, and the passwords will be removed. The power on password will then be disabled. To apply changes and exit, press F10 and then Enter. To exit without saving, press Escape and Enter. That's it. Thank you for watching. If it helped, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave us a like in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.